ladies and gentlemen. This study was conducted to determine the factors contributing to stress in school environment among adolescents in Colombo district, Sri Lanka. Adolescence is the period in human growth and development that occurs after childhood from the ages 10 to 19. This is a period of critical transition in sexual, emotional, and cognitive maturity. Adolescents are often subject to stress associated with many psychosocial adversities at home, at school, and due to many other factors, including peer pressure. Most Sri Lankan adolescents live in a safety and comfort of the parental home, unlike in Western populations. However, adversities in the school environment may contribute to stress among Sri Lankan adolescents too. The Adolescent Stress Questionnaire was developed by Bryan et al. In the Australian National University. This questionnaire has been used in many populations in the world to assess adolescent stress levels. There are 10 variables in this adolescent stress questionnaire, and it contains 58 items. The total ASQ score is 290. Let me show you the 10 variables in the adolescent stress questionnaire. They are stress of home life, stress of school performance, school attendance, romantic relationships, stress of peer pressure, stress of teacher interaction, future uncertainty, stress of school leisure conflict, financial pressure, and stress of emerging adult responsibility. But in this particular study, we concern about the school performance and school attendance. So the objective of our study was to determine the factors that contribute to stress in the school environment among adolescents in Colombo district, Sri Lanka. This was a descriptive cross-sectional study. We did this study in government schools in Colombo districts. The sample size was 104, and we included adolescents aged 14 to 16 years. Initially, the baseline data was obtained by a self-administered questionnaire. Then, adolescent stress questionnaire was administered after translating and validating into Sinhala language. Items, they are getting up early in the morning, compulsory school attendance, and going to school. Let's go to the results now. In this study, 47% were males and 53% were females. There was no significant difference in mean age between males and females, as you see here. Let's see the distribution of mean stress scores. The mean adolescent stress score and also the mean stress score of the two variables, that is mean stress score of school performance and mean stress score of school attendance, also did not show any statistical significance between males and females. %38 of this study sample, adolescents were stressed. The mean ASQ score was significantly higher in the stress group when you compare it with the non-stress group. When analyzing the stress of school performance, 6 items of the 7 items were significantly higher in the stress group when compared with non-stress group. As you see, the p-values, the 6 items of 7 items were statistically significant in the stress group than the non-stress group. When you take the stress of school attendance, only 1 item, that is getting up early in the morning, was significantly higher in stress group when compared with non-stress group.